Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check following list on Facebook. So guys, if you want to check your following list on your Facebook account, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily see your following list on your Facebook account. So guys, all you have to do is that you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to open your App Store or Play Store, and from here you have to simply download the latest version of Facebook on your device. So guys, go to Facebook, and you have to simply download and install the latest version of Facebook on your device. And after this, open this, and once you are here you have to simply tap on your profile and now tap on edit button, and now scroll it below and tap on edit your about info. Once you are here you have to simply scroll it below all the way, and from here you have to simply tap on following or see all. So as you can see this, simply tap on this, and from here you can see your followers, your following list, and your friends on Facebook. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that you have to simply go back, and now you have to simply open settings on your device by tapping on menu, and once you are here tap on settings, and now scroll it below and go to activity log. So guys, here you can see this, tap on activity log, and once you're here you have to tap on connections. So guys, here you can see this, you have to simply tap on connections from here, and now scroll it below all the way, and from here you have to tap on followers. Here you can see this, tap on manage followers, and from here you have to simply filter this, and now tap on categories, and now you have to tap on people who followed you or who you are followed and unfollowed. So guys, here you can see this, you can select anyone. As you want to see the following list, you have to simply tap on people who followed you. So guys, tap on this, and from here you will see all the people who has followed you. And if you go back, you will have to tap on manage followers again, and if you tap on filters and if you tap on categories, here you have to simply tap on who you have followed and unfollowed. So guys, simply tap on this, and from here you will be able to see who followed you and unfollowed you on Facebook. So guys, in this way you can also see the following list on Facebook. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.